Learning American today is fun, easy, and effective.
Bienvenue sur The Lingua Channel, une nouvelle façon de réussir en anglais américain, une méthode en 4 niveaux basée sur l'image vivante et une approche bilingue pour vous accompagner pas à pas vers une véritable maîtrise de l'anglais américain. And now, let's speak American.
In this program, you don't learn American English by memorizing rules. You learn by watching, by listening, and by understanding real situations. You learn by watching, by listening, and by understanding real situations. For example, instead of translating word by word, you will hear expressions like, "I'd like a coffee." "How much is it?" Simple, natural, and used every day. Step by step, you begin to understand and to speak. Let's start.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Mr. Gallagher, Sales and Marketing Director of my company in Boston. I would like to make an appointment to see Mr. Morgan.
Certainly, sir. Can you please hold? Hello, Mr. Morgan. Mr. Gallagher is on the line. He'd like to have an appointment with you.
Put him through. I'll take care of it.
Hello, Mr. Gallagher. I'm going to transfer you to Mr. Morgan. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gallagher.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, and you?
Oh, very well, thanks. You must tell me about your trip to Europe. Has everything been going well?
Yes, everything has been perfect. We're very comfortable in Washington. We wanted to come for a long time, and I'm glad for the opportunity to see you, as I mentioned on the phone a few weeks ago.
Yes, I'm very happy that you've been able to come. We haven't seen each other for some time since my last visit to Boston, to be exact.
Yes, what a pity. So when do you think we could meet? I'm staying in Washington until Monday. I could come by on Thursday or Friday. What do you think of that?
We could meet each other Thursday morning around 11 o'clock and then have lunch together. Is that convenient for you?
That's perfect. So Thursday morning.
Great. See you then. Oh yes. Say hello to Caroline and the kids.
I sure will. Goodbye.
Bienvenue. Et si apprendre l'américain devenait simple? Oubliez les listes de mots et les règles à mémoriser. Ici, vous allez entrer dans des situations réelles, au restaurant, dans la rue, au téléphone. Vous regardez, vous écoutez et vous comprenez naturellement. C'est ainsi que l'on apprend vraiment à parler. And now, let's speak American.
Mr. Gallagher makes a phone call. A secretary answers and asks how she can help Mr. Gallagher. Mr. Gallagher says he is calling to make an appointment with Mr. Morgan. The secretary asks Mr. Gallagher to hold, while she tells Mr. Morgan that Mr. Gallagher is on the line. Mr. Morgan tells the secretary to put Mr. Gallagher through. The secretary transfers the call and wishes Mr. Gallagher a nice day. The two men say hello, and Mr. Morgan asks about Mr. Gallagher's trip to Europe. Mr. Gallagher says everything was perfect, and he is happy to be in Washington to see Mr. Morgan. They have not seen each other since Mr. Morgan's last visit to Boston. Mr. Gallagher proposes times for them to meet. Mr. Morgan agrees to Thursday at 11 o'clock and proposes the two eat lunch after their meeting. Mr. Gallagher agrees. The two say goodbye, and Mr. Morgan tells Mr. Gallagher to say hello to Mrs. Gallagher and their kids for him.
Apprendre l'anglais américain? C'est maintenant sur the LINGUA CHANNEL by the Victor Ebner Institute.